So hey guys, welcome back in this another video. So guys, hope you all are safe and alert. So today's topic of the video is West Bengal's culture and heritage. So let's start the video. First is foods of West Bengal. Second is festivals of West Bengal. The next one is folk dances of West Bengal. The next one is art and craft of West Bengal. Next one, traditional dresses of West Bengal. So hey guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and give your sweet comments. Thank you for watching my video.